Welcome to Brand Splash Marketing LLC, where we make it easy to start your journey towards digital excellence. Here's how you can work with us. First, begin with a free initial consultation. We discuss your business goals, challenges, and needs. This helps us understand how we can best support you and tailor our services to your specific requirements. Next, based on our initial discussion, we'll develop a customized proposal. This proposal outlines our recommended strategies and services, detailing the scope of work, timelines, and pricing, ensuring transparency and clarity from the start. Once you approve the proposal, we'll kick off the onboarding process. This includes setting up necessary accounts, gathering required information, and establishing clear communication channels to keep you informed throughout the project. Our team then dives deep into research and analysis to develop a comprehensive digital marketing strategy tailored to your business. We focus on key areas such as SEO, Google Ads, web design, social media, and more to ensure a holistic approach. With a solid strategy in place, we move to the implementation phase. Our experts execute the plan, leveraging their skills and tools to deliver effective and impactful results. We keep you updated on progress and make any necessary adjustments along the way. Digital marketing is an ongoing process. We continuously monitor the performance of our strategies, analyzing data and making optimizations to maximize your ROI. Regular reports and updates keep you informed of our progress and the results achieved. Finally, our relationship doesn't end after implementation. We offer continuous support and maintenance to ensure your digital presence remains strong and effective. Whether it's updating your website, tweaking your ad campaigns, or providing new marketing insights, we're here to help. Ready to elevate your brand with Brand Splash Marketing LLC? Contact us today to schedule your initial consultation and take the first step towards digital success.